In today's class, we will learn about histogram. Okay, histogram is another way of representing data. That is graphical representation of data. Okay, now one thing is histogram, the other one is bar graph. Now what's the difference between both? See, bar graph means you will have same bars only will be there, okay? But one gap will be there, okay? Here one, then you will leave one, and then this will be the second bar, and then leave one, and this will be the third bar, like that. Okay, you will have bars like this, like how you have your histogram, like that only you will have the bars, but there will be gap. Okay, 1 centimeter gap will be there. That is a bar graph. And what you are going to learn is the histogram. Okay, what you are going to learn is the histogram. So histogram is one way of representing data graphically. Okay, now for histogram what we use continuous frequency distribution. That is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like that. That is called continuous. Okay, here 10 is there, here also 10 is there. Here 20 is there, here also 20 is there. Here 30 is there, here also 30 is there, like that. That is called continuous frequency distribution table. Okay, continuous frequency distribution table. That is histogram. That is what we use for drawing a histogram. Okay, so this table will be given to you. Okay, so whatever is the class interval given, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, these class intervals where you have to put on this x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So on the x-axis you need to put the class interval, and on the y-axis you need to put this. The second thing, whatever they have given, marks or number of people, whatever they have given, that heading will come in the y-axis. And this class interval will come on the x-axis. And then you need to write the scale also, what scale you are taking. That also you have to write. That is x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 years or whatever. If it is marks, it will be marks, like that. Okay. And then y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, if you are taking 2, 4, 6, 8, it will be number of people. No, so it will be 2 people. Okay, like that. So this is how you will draw the histogram. So this exercise you need to do in your graph notebook. Okay. So we will start with the exercise 6.2. The first one and second one are one words that we can do in the textbook itself. Okay. From your question number 4. Okay. Third one also in the textbook only. Third one also in the textbook. From fourth one we will start in the graph notebook. Okay. From question number 4 we will start in the graph notebook. Now the first one what you have is, which of the following data can be represented in histogram? See, only when you have a continuous data you can represent in a histogram. Okay. So the first one you have is number of mountain climbers in the age group of 20 to 60 in Tamil Nadu. So that you can represent as a histogram. Okay. And then the next one is production of cycles in different years. Okay. So this will not be a continuous data. Okay, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that is called continuous. So production of cycles in different years. Okay, so that is, you can't draw the histogram. So this you write it, the first one is yes, you write. First one write it as yes, second one is no. Third one what you have? Number of students in each class of the school. So this also you can't represent. Okay, this is also no. Next one, number of votes polled from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. in an election. So the timings will vary. It won't be continuous. So this also is no. So timings will vary. That is, you take from, let's take from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So this will be yes. Okay, this will be yes only. Next one you have the wickets fallen from 1 over to 50th over in one day cricket match. So this also will be, you can draw a histogram. Okay, so this is also yes. So these are the answers for the first one. You do it in the textbook itself. Okay. do it in the textbook itself, first one. Now second one you have, fill in the blanks. The total area of the histogram is proportional to the total frequency of the given data. Okay, both will be in proportion. So this answer is, first one answer is proportional. Second one, a graph that displays data that changes continuously over a period of time is histogram. That is what we are talking about, okay. The next thing is, histogram is a graphical representation of group data. Okay, histogram is a graphical representation of grouped data. Now we will go for the next one. The next one what they have given is, they have given this one, histogram they have given, you need to answer the questions based on that. Okay, you need to answer the questions based on the histogram. So we will start. Now see what all they have given us. Number of people. In a village there are 570 people who have cell phones. An NGO surveys their cell phone usage. Based on this survey, a histogram is drawn. Answer the following questions. So you have, how many people use the cell phone for less than 3 hours? Okay, so for less than 3 hours means what? This one, till here. Okay, that is, this is the number of hours, 1, 2, 3. So what you will do, these two numbers you have to add. That is 110 plus, this is how much? 120. 110 plus 120. So these two things you will add. For less than 3 hours means this much you have to add. Okay, till here. So this will be 110 plus 120. So when you add both, what you will get? This will be 0, 2 plus 1, 3. This will be 1 plus 1, 2. 230. So how many people use cell phone for less than 3 hours? 110 plus 120, that is 230. The second one you have is, how many of them use cell phone for more than 5 hours? More than 5 hours means, this is till 5 hours, okay. Till here you have 5 hours. So more than 5 hours, what all things you will add? 100 and this is 50. 150. So this will be 100 plus 50, that equals 150. The third one you have, are people using cell phone for less than 1 hour? Less than 1 hour, do you have anything? No, nothing is there. Okay, so this will be the answer, no. No one is using cell phone for less than 1 hour. So the first answer is 230. Second answer is 150. The third answer is no. So this also you write in the textbook itself. Okay. From the fourth sum onwards, we will draw in the graph notebook. Okay, you have to take your graph notebook and you need to draw in that. Now what you will do is, see, you will take the graph notebook, you take the ruled page. Okay, ruled page you take, write exercise 6.2. Chapter 6, statistics, exercise 6.2. Okay, write the heading on the rule side. Where you will write? On the rule side. And then draw this table also. Okay. Horizontally itself you draw the table. As they have given, you draw the table. And then the graph part you have to draw on the graph page. Okay. The graph part you have to draw on the graph page. So, suppose if this is your graph notebook, here you will do the writing part and this side you will draw the graph. Okay. On the top you have to write chapter 6, statistics, exercise 6.2. So this is how you will start. Okay. Now we will start the table first. Table is given to you. We will draw the table first on the rule side. That you have to draw. Okay. See the textbook and draw the table. And after that you have to start the graph. Now see, when you are starting the graph, they have given two things. That is class interval and number of students. Okay. Two things they have given. So class interval will be on the x-axis and number of students will be on the y-axis. Okay. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20 till 50 to 60 you have. Okay, see I am drawing in the classwork where you have to draw. Again I am telling you have to draw in the graph notebook. Okay, so don't forget that. So this is your exercise 6.2, question number 4. So we will start the histogram. Okay. You don't have any negative, okay? So I am not drawing any negative part. You have to use only pencil in the graph notebook. The rule said also only with pencil you need to write. No, you should not use pen in the graph notebook, okay? Only pencil you have to write. Why I am drawing with pen is it will be clear to you. That's why I am drawing with pen. Okay, you have to use only a sharp pencil. Now the first one you have is 0 to 10. So we will put the this one, okay. This is your 0 over here. And equal bars you take, okay. When you see in the graph notebook, when you see the thick line, the thick green line is there, no? There only you have to write the numbers. So 0, this is 10, 0 to 10. Then you have 10 to 20. Then you have 20 to 30. Then you have 30 to 40. Then you have 40 to 50. Then you have here 50 to 60. Okay, so these are the things you have. And then on this side you have till how much? Till 23 you have. Okay, so either you can take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 23. Or you can take 5, 10, 15, 20. That's your wish. Any scale you can take. Okay, so here I am taking, this is 5, this is 10, 15, this is 20, and this is 25. Okay. The extra things you can rub it off. Okay, the extra line you can rub it off. So what your x-axis says, this is your x-axis, okay. And this is your y-axis. So what your this one, first one is 0 to 10. For 0 to 10 what you have, number of students is 5. So here you have to write class interval. CLASS, class interval. And this side you have to write number of students. Okay. See, when you are drawing this y-axis, leave 2 boxes. Okay. Leave 2 boxes and draw this y-axis line. So here you have to write number of students. Okay. This is number of students and this is the class interval. Like this you have to write number of students here and here you have to write class interval. So the first bar you have is from 0 to 10, that is 5. So we will take it till here, this is 5, okay. So 0 to 10, like this. So this is your 0 to 10. And here you have to write 5. The next thing you have is 10 to 20, that is 15. Now this all will be continuous, okay, you should not leave anything. So 10 to 20 is 15. So till here. So this is your 15 over here. Next you have 20 to 30, that is 23. So 23 means what? It will be from 20. You take, this will be 20. Then 5 or 6 small divisions you take. That will be 23. See, when you put in the graph paper, it will be correct, okay? Exactly, you will get it. And then, this is your 15. This is your 23. Now, next what you have is 30 to 40, you have 20. So, 30 to 40, you have 20. So, this is your 20 over here. Okay, this is your 20. The next thing what you have is 40 to 50, that is 10. So 40 to 50 is 10 over here. This is your 10. Next you have is 50 to 60, that is 7. So before 10, right? So you have to take 2, 3 numbers before that. So this is your 10. This is your 7. And then here you have to write the scale. Box it and write the scale. The topmost thing you have to write, okay? Box it like this. So what you will write? Scale. X-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. That units is not given, okay? It's only class interval. So you have to write 10 units. Then y-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 5 students. So x-axis 1 centimeter equals 10 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter equals 5 students. So this is the scale and this is how you will draw the histogram. So this completes your fourth one, okay? So you have to put the table on the rule side and opposite to that on the graph sheet you need to put the graph. So this completes your fifth one, okay? Fourth one, okay? Now we will go for the fifth one on the next page. Now fifth one, what they have given? Construct a histogram from the following distribution of total marks of 40 students in a class. So again they have given this one 90 to 110. Now see, in this one it's starting from 90, it's not starting from 0. Okay, so a small change you will have to make in the beginning. Okay, so I'll tell you what to do. So we will draw the graph. Okay, so here you have two things, one is marks and one is number of students. So, and you have till how much? 210. And these numbers are, number of students are 9, 5, 10, 7. So you can take it as 1, 2, 3, 4 itself. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 itself you can take on the y-axis. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. For x-axis, it's starting from 90. Okay, so this is from 90. Then you have 110. 90 to 110. Then here you have 130. Then here you have 150. 20 gap, okay? And then here you have 170. 190. And here you have 210. Okay. So this is your x-axis. and here you have number of students till 10. Okay, so what I am doing is 1, 2, 3, 4 itself I am taking. If you take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it will be a small graph. So I am making it big one. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So this is your y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, and what is your x-axis? What it shows? Marks. And here you have number of students. Okay, number of students. Okay, so as I told you, leave 2 boxes here and draw the y-axis. Okay, and this is your x-axis which shows the marks. This is the y-axis which shows the number of students. Now see, your graph starts from 90. Okay, so what you have to do is, this is your 0. Now 0 to 90, this much you have to rub it. Okay, rub this 0 to 90 and you have to put a zigzag line like this. Like this you have to put. Okay, only this much you have to put. Like this and like this, that's all. Okay, don't put in design and all. From here to here like this is called a zigzag line. So you have to put one zigzag line because this is not counted. You are starting only from 90. So 0 to 90, there is nothing is there. So you are starting from 90. So you have to rub this much part and you have to put a zigzag line. Okay, so first one you have is 90 to 110, you have 9. So from here to here you have 9. So this is your first one. Okay, this is your first one, 9. 9 students, okay. The next one what you have is 110 to 130, you have 5. So it will go till here. So this is your 5 students, okay. Next one is till 10. So from 130 to 150 you have 10. This is your 10. Next one you have is 150 to 170, that is 7. So till here you have. Then 170 to 190. 170 to 190 you have 4. This is 4. Next 190 to 210 you have 6. So this is your 6 till here. This is your 6. Now we have to write the scale. So this will be scale, x-axis, one centimeter equals, how many marks? See what's the gap over here? 20. Okay, so this equals 20 marks. And y-axis, 1 centimeter equals 1 student. Okay, so this is a number of students and this is the marks. So write the scale, x-axis 1 centimeter equals 20 marks, y-axis 1 centimeter equals 1 student. And then you need to draw the histogram neatly and put a zigzag line over here. 0 to 90 you rub it off. Okay, and put the zigzag line over here. So please complete your both the histograms and please send it to me. Okay, so that is the homework for you for today. So please draw it in the graph notebook neatly as I have given the instructions. Like that, draw it neatly.